3 years ago, the first case of a global plant virus was recorded, and it started to ravage most of our ecosystems. Eating food infected with the virus causes severe autoimmune diseases, and the loss of plant life has decreased the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere to 10%, which has increased the number of natural disasters all over the world. The world's leading research laboratories have been unsuccessful in developing a cure, and people are starting to think the planet is doomed. The only hope left is Project Gemini, developed by Dr. Stephen around 2 ancient alien artifacts discovered by paleontologists who are sure the objects are 4 billion years old, before there was any kind of life on Earth. Stephen's team has recreated the super tough materials that the sphere and the engine are made of and have made copies, and this engine has allowed them to build a ship that flew unmanned and found a suitable planet to terraform. The sphere is for creating life and works thanks to dozens of commands that the team has finally finished decoding. It's also proof that life on Earth was created by aliens. A team consisting of both doctors and military pilots will be traveling to create Earth 2.0 with the sphere and the solar system TESS, which is several hundred light years from here. Stephen has a wife called Amy, who doesn't want him to go on this mission. On the day of the launch, she still comes to the base to try to stop Stephen from leaving, but she doesn't make it on time and must watch how the ship leaves the planet. When the vessel leaves the atmosphere, an unusual crack appears on the alien sphere, indicating they may not be alone. Using the alien engine technology, the ship opens a warping portal that allows them to jump across the universe. However, as soon as they make it to the other side, the systems indicate an error. They haven't arrived at TESS, they're somewhere unknown. Stephen blames engineer Peter for this, claiming he made a mistake when he entered the coordinates, so he's relieved of his duties for now. Moments later, while Stephen rests, he keeps thinking about Amy, but also about the first time he activated the sphere, which allowed him to see some weird humanoid form that quickly disappeared. Afterward, Stephen asks the team to try to set the jump trajectory to figure out where they are, but it's impossible to do because all their data is messed up, as if they moved between the third and fourth dimensions. Meanwhile, Peter leaves his bunker and takes one of the security cameras so he can inspect the sphere alone. At that moment, the computer